Now we'll talk about how Cheerio helps you do that. And it helps you do that threefold. First, marketing. You need to keep marketing to your existing customers, engaging in a conversation with them. Only then they'll keep coming back to you. That's when they will understand about your offers, your new policies, or any new product you might have launched, right? If you keep the conversation going, that's when they'll come back to you. Second part is support. Once you have sold it to them, you need to support them much better, right? And if you support them much better, you can have an opportunity to have the the opportunity to upsell, right? So in that case, we also have certain sales features that you can utilize to sell again and again to your customers. So we'll first start with the marketing use case. You just click on new campaign. Once you've clicked on new campaign, I'm just going to show you how to send a test campaign. So just select one of the customer lists that you have uploaded. I just uploaded a customer list called test new 1st April. Okay. How does it look like? I'll quickly show it to you. So basically, it's a simple Google Sheet with your customer's name, email ID, and phone number. Those are the mandatory fields. You can have other fields like gender, source, where did you get the lead from, age, things like that, right? But these three are the main mandatory fields. And you just need to download this file and upload it here. I've already uploaded and I've uploaded 2 rows. Next, I want to select whether I want to send it on email, SMS, or WhatsApp. I can always send it together on all of these three places, but it depends on what kind of offer you are running, right? So there are certain templates that work for email, SMS, and WhatsApp all together. There are certain templates that only work for WhatsApp. There are certain templates that work for SMS as well, right? So in WhatsApp, we get a lot of options. We have templates that are of the form of carousels, which look really amazing. You can add multiple images. For email, you may have certain products that can be put as a hero image, right? So in those cases, you can utilize this. For the purpose of the demo, I'll use a share and offer campaign. Okay, so let me just add the seller as, let's say I was Titan company, right? And I was selling one of the watches. Let's say Roshington 7 watch series. Offer name is March End offer, right? So let me say that I'm providing maybe 15% discount and only for the next 3 days. And the offer link is on titan.com, right? So I'll just put titan.co.in. Now I need to upload at least a product image. So I'll do that. I've added the product image here. I will also add my company's logo. And next I can add things like, my social handles like Instagram, Twitter, all of those things. And then I can generate preview. So as soon as I click on generate preview, it creates a really nice image for it. For email, for SMS and WhatsApp also, it creates a really nice preview. Now next part is just sharing the campaign. So I can either schedule the campaign or I can go back and run the campaign. So I've already ran the campaign. Now let's see if I got it. So this is my WhatsApp web. While I'm waiting for it to update, let me check if I got a mail. As you can see, Nishan Titan has a deal you can't miss. 15% off on Washington 7 only for next Thursday, right? So I've got the merchant offer. I've got a really nice email. Uh, and it's brilliant. And I was just able to create within 1 second, right? Similarly, I've got a WhatsApp message as well. As you can see, I've got a really nice product image. I've got the discount offer details. And I can click on visit website and I can get to titan.com. And then I will be able to basically buy the watch that has the offer on it. So as you can see, the Titan website has loaded and I can buy that watch. So that's the first part of the demo. That was the marketing aspect of Cheerio. Now let's say you have sent the message, right? And people reply to you, right? So I just sent a message to myself. Let me just reply. here, right? I'll reply on WhatsApp. Just notice that I'm replying to myself on WhatsApp. Hey, I would like to buy this watch, right? I send this message. This should come on my WhatsApp for sure, but it also shows up on my Cheerio. As you can see, right? Like this message has come. Hey, I would like to buy this watch. And that is the power of Cheerio. I mean, it can help you talk directly to your customer no matter where they are. So I sent a watch promo and I got a reply. So when I send a message from Cheerio, sure, please visit our store. Okay. And as you can see, the same image, the same message will directly reach my WhatsApp. Sure, please visit our store, right? That's the power of Cheerio. It can help you talk to email, SMS, WhatsApp, all of these platforms, wherever your customer may be. You can directly talk to us. This is the support use case. So you can support your customers much better. You can understand the queries very well using the team inbox. And you can also assign multiple agents to answer your queries. Now, a company like Titan will have 10,000 chats coming every second, right? So you need more than one person to answer these queries. So you can add your team members and agents to this account. Similarly, if I message you on Instagram, right, then also your messages can come to Cheerio. Now let's talk about the automations, right? So you will not want all of the messages to be directly answered by a person because you will need to hire so many people. Why do that? Instead of that, just create a chatbot or a workflow as such. So, for example, if I get an incoming WhatsApp message, then what should be the next message? If the person clicks on option one, then where should it go? Then if the person asks for pricing, I can basically add a 2 hour delay and then send them an email also, follow-up email, right? So that's the beauty of Cheerio that any message that you send can be automated and automatically replied to. Now I'll show you this same thing. Let me just do one thing. Let me turn on one of these workflows and show you the power of workflows. So I have just turned on the workflow and I will start chatting with Cheerio's number. So as you saw that I was initially messaging this brand and somebody real was replying, but now the chatbot itself will reply. As you can see, thanks for reaching out to Cheerio. Let us know your query. I need WhatsApp marketing. I need what any other marketing, SMS marketing. Let's say I need SMS marketing. I reply as two. So I said two, and then I'll basically get a follow-up message. We have directly partnered with Airtel to serve you with best-in-class bulk SMS service. Would you like to know more about our SMS offerings? So let's say I say yes, I need expert consultation, and reply as one. So replied as one. Sure, our expert will call you back within 24 hours. So all of this is happening through a chatbot that we have created. And as you can see, these steps can be directly added here. It's very easy to do and you can set it up in no time. And therefore you will be saving a lot of time by not actually replying to these chats and letting a chatbot reply. So that is the power of automation that we can do. Automation can be done on Instagram, on Facebook, not just WhatsApp, and on email and other such platforms. So as I mentioned, right, like this is my chatting tool for support teams. We also provide a lot of features for making chatting really, really super simple. Like for example, when you click on slash, you get a lot of responses that are already saved. So you can use these responses to quickly reply to people and answer their queries, right? You don't even have to type it. There are filters and things available. You can distribute leads to people. You can reassign new leads automatically. So support use case as a whole, supporting a customer's requirement is very easy to do. Now let me talk about the various integrations we have. So regardless of whether your website is built on Shopify or on WooCommerce or Kailas or any other such platform, we provide a direct integration with those platforms. You also have a very nice support agent to help you how to launch campaigns on Cheerio. So you can directly get step by step. You don't need to worry about learning a lot about this platform. You can use our articles to quickly get your answers sorted, right? And the best part is using Cheerio, you can actually uh, generate templates using ChatGPT. So this is ChatGPT 4. As you can see, I will ask it to generate an image for Good Friday. Okay. Generate an offer image for Titan Watch Company for Good Friday. So when I click on that, it will start generating an image. Cheerio is AI enabled and it can automatically think like a human, it can think like a designer, and it can design the creative for you. So we'll just get the creative in a bit. It can also design text for you. So as you can see, this really nice image has come out. And Good Friday special offer. There's a watch company, and there's a whole list of watches that are available. This whole thing got generated in 3 seconds. Can you see the power of AI? It's amazing, right? So this power can be extended to other channels like email also, where we have a lot of templates that you can work with. You can create your template from scratch. You can design it directly on our UI, and you don't have to worry too much about getting a designer or a HTML developer to do it. As a business owner, you can do it yourself. You don't need to worry about things because this is everything is drag and drop. Very simple to do for people. Further, you will also want to see how many people looked at your campaign or saw your message, clicked on your message, opened your message, things like that, right? So for that, we provide a graph so that you can quickly figure out how many people saw your message, how many people it got delivered to, how many people opened it, how many people clicked it. And name by name, we can tell you at what time they clicked or read your message, right? Now, when you're sending messages, right, you will need some templates. And for that, we have a huge library of templates that you can work with, regardless of which industry you're from, e-commerce, banking, education, real estate, healthcare, webinar, we have everything. Similarly, for email, we have a lot of templates that you can use to get started with. So it's an amazing tool just to get you started with. And you can quickly keep uh, making your customers buy again and again from you. So regardless of whether it's sales, marketing, or support, you can do all of those three across WhatsApp, email, SMS, Facebook, Instagram with your customers, no matter where customer is, whether he's on Facebook or Instagram or SMS or email or WhatsApp. You can service them, you can talk to them, you can make them buy again and again. You can collect your audience from a Google Sheet file, or you can directly sync it from Facebook or from your website. You can create stunning templates using our AI and images also, and you can shoot campaigns and make everything automated. It's very easy to use Cheerio, and already companies like HDFC Bank, IndusInd Bank, Swiggy are using Cheerio to maximize their revenue. There are more than 200 plus companies that work with us, and they are our clients, and they are very happy clients. So over the last 1.5 years, we have been the market leader, and will continue to be so. So if you found this product interesting, do check us out and take a free trial. And you can also sign up for a paid program. I'm sure within 1 month, you will see at least a jump of 1 lakh rupees in revenue for yourself. Thank you so much.